I think it's good to note how incredible this program has been and still is. I was in the office, my office. We were cleaning out because the office was moving locations, and I have a whiteboard in that office space. And I had made a list of to-do items back in 2018. And I was looking at that whiteboard thinking about all the things that we've accomplished. The ability to procure the Exxon corridor coming all the way across town for a couple $1 million. I mean, that was huge. To be able to come out ranked number one, the number one project in the state for the SWIFT funds, and borrow more than $1 billion for the water authority. That is a huge impact. Building these massive projects across an urban area. Like I said, there's just a lot to be proud of. The Long Tunnel project that we were able to build. At the end of the day, what a lot of people see are exciting, wonderful snapshots of tunnel machines and construction projects, and those are exciting and impressive, but there's so much work that went into it years in advance of all the construction projects. And so there's just so much to be proud of.